gonna hit. Oh! Wow. You can't drive, kid. This is why I should have drove. Alright, straighten it out.
No. Turn. Come on, go. You may crash.
Alright, it's time for the best ride in Legoland Florida. Boating school, if we don't crash first. Come on, kid. This is why I should have drove. Anyways, boating school. Definitely the best ride in Legoland. I love it. So relaxing. Unless you got this kid driving. Then it's terrifying.
Okay. Oh, boat crash right there. Boat crash.
Turn.
No. We're gonna hit. We're gonna hit.
Oh!
How do you guys help fix that?
We just turned this into bumper boats.
Yeah.
It ain't boating school no more. It's bumper boats.
Oh, this is funny. Now we're on it. Oh no.
New for 2019 at Legoland Florida, bumper boats. I'm glad this isn't like Tomorrowland Speedway at Disney where you're not supposed to bump. Because the way you're driving, kid, we're bound to sink here like the Titan. Oh, she's going right into the wall.
Oh no, don't fall. Oh, and boom. No. This is bumper boats. Turn.
Turn around here, turn. Big U-turn. Turn, give it some gas.
No, I'm giving it all the gas. No. Gotta keep turning. Oh. Bumper boat. Wait.
Alright, don't get too close. Let go of the gas.
But it's looking like no time's
Oh.
No! We got a Pacific crash.
Mayday.
Yeah.
It's a parking spot. Look, it's a parking spot. All three of us. A parking spot.
We got parking down. Turn, Jordan, give it some gas.
I'm giving it gas.
Like you're about to.
How do you just swim?
Yeah, just swim it out.
Traffic jam.
Just nice. Sometimes I hate this because...
Watch your hand.
Hey, pay attention.
Go around. On this side. Bye.
I'll see you later.
No bumper boat. No. Oof.
You're crazy.
Do I learn how to be...
Crazy driver. Hey, pay attention.
No.
Pay attention.
We're on track.
Oh gosh, here we go again. Are we gonna make it? So close. Oh, we just barely nicked it.
Alright, here comes... I can't see anything. Turn. Come on, no bump. Okay. Oh, we're going right into the water. Yeah, we're going.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are. We're going straight for it.
You see this camera? The microphone can't handle water, so let's not say we did. So you better start turning now.
No bump.
What?
Okay. No, turn. So relaxing.
I love this ride. You got it. All right, you gotta line up. Just like the Apollo program, you gotta dock it. Get right in there, Jordan. Straighten out.
In order to steer your boat, you must press down on the pedal at all times.
There you go.